Chile was struck by the most powerful earthquake ever recorded in human history. The quake measured a staggering magnitude of 9.5. It shook southern Chile for more than 10 minutes, destroying cities, homes, and lives. The earthquake triggered massive tsunamis that reached as far as Hawaii, Japan, and the Philippines, leaving devastation across the Pacific. Over 1,600 people were killed, thousands injured, and entire towns erased. But the Chilean people rebuilt stronger than before.